Joining me now to talk about this is Chicago-based attorney who has handled a broad range of both criminal and civil matters in federal and state courts, Andrew Stoltmann. Oh my gosh, Andrew. This is probably the most terrible, nastiest divorce America has ever witnessed, and it's all happening live on TV. First of all, I want to ask you, should Johnny Depp have ever even filed this lawsuit? Sure, there was an op-ed about him, but an op-ed that maybe some people read, some people didn't. This is now, you know, you're airing your dirty laundry on live TV. What were his lawyers thinking?
I don't know. He's got some really bad legal advice, because right now, the testimony, the evidence, the photos, the text, it's all been devastating to his reputation. And if you think about it right now, Johnny Depp in the public is about as radioactive as Chernobyl soil. And there is a real risk that not only could he lose this case as the plaintiff, but Amanda Heard has a $100 million counterclaim against him. So this thing could get real bad, even worse, real fast for Mr. Depp.
Right. We've seen awful pictures of Depp in the hospital, injuries. Are you surprised by Amber Heard's lawyers, too, that they're allowing all of this? I mean, this is a defamation case. It's not an assault abuse case. Are you surprised that they're allowing all this to take place? Is it because they have some kind of strategy? They want to hit it when it's their time?
Well, I think you touched on it at the top of the story, where this is just a nasty divorce. Now, this isn't a divorce proceeding per se, but it is the second defamation case. Depp already lost one in London. I think he's going to lose this one. And this marriage was very volatile, and some of that volatility, some of the anger is still there, and we're seeing it in this trial.
Yeah, big time. Okay, so Amber Heard hasn't testified yet, but watch her lawyers here grill Depp.
You understood that Ms. Heard was not happy with you overusing alcohol or overusing drugs, correct?
From the very beginning?
Yeah, she was trying to be supportive of your sobriety, correct?
No, sir.
You've trashed hotel rooms before simply because you've had a bad couple days and an unpleasant time, correct?
I have assaulted a couch or two, yes, sir.
So, Andrew, what do you think? Do you think Depp has been at least a good witness for himself?
He hasn't come off as bad as I thought he would come off. He's been pretty humorous. Look, he's a likable guy, other than these horrific allegations, right? Everybody loved him in the Pirates of the Caribbean, and there's a little bit of what's called a halo effect around him. But that's why these photos, the text, the testimony is so devastating, because it shatters that perception we have of Mr. Depp. And remember, this stuff has already cost him money. He did not get renewed in Pirates of the Caribbean. He's also not going to be in the Harry Potter movie, so this has hurt him already, and it's going to hurt him more.
Yeah. How does this trial compare, do you think, Andrew, to others, considering we're living at a very different time? We're in the post-Me Too movement. The jury has a very tough job here, really trying to determine who the abuser is, who the victim is. I mean, it's really a wild trial here. It's not just about defamation anymore. They really have a big, difficult job here.
Well, they really do. And I think post-Me Too movement, it's a little more difficult for somebody like a Johnny Depp to be able to come in and charm the jurors and say, gee, this is just my roguish behavior. That doesn't buy it anymore. You know, we're in a new era where men can't do what they want and simply kind of say, gee, I'm rich, gee, I'm famous. But look, Amanda Heard's time comes up next week, and I'll be interested to see what the testimony and the cross-examination of her is going to be, and it's going to be extraordinarily aggressive. It's ugly now. It's even going to get uglier.
Yeah, I think you can tell just by looking at her when she's in the courtroom. She's got that steely look on her face like, oh boy, is she ready to let it all hang out. So we'll see what happens next. All right, Andrew, thanks so much for being with us. We always love having you. Come back soon.